Hello everyone, it's Yoshi here, and today I've got another unboxing from thecubicle.us. Alright, so this is a bit of a smaller unboxing because there's only one thing in it this time, but that one thing is still pretty exciting. Something that I should have gotten a while ago, but totally forgot to. And that is, if I can get this to focus, the Rubik Speed Cube. The new Rubik Speed Cube. Not the old one, the Gans one. Do I got anything else in here? Nah. Yeah, I stabbed the business card with the knife a little bit, but oh well. So yeah, let's get into this. Can I just open this like up here? So, packaging. More packaging. More packaging. This is a very well packaged cube. So, the reason I'm getting this, and the reason I'm getting it so late, was I meant to get it when it first came out, and then I just totally forgot to. Like, I just forgot that it had come out. And then I went to a competition recently, and I felt one of these, and I was really impressed for a Rubik's brand cube. So let's go ahead and try first turns. Okay, yeah, it's still really good. I really like the turning of it. It feels like a GAN cube, and that makes sense because it basically is. Like, I know it's got Rubik's name on it, but let's be honest, this is a GAN cube. The only thing that's different is that it's got tiles, like the Rubik's brand cubes do. So the tiles are very nice. They don't feel annoying to hold. Like, let me get a Rubik's puzzle. So I got this Rubik's 2x2. The tiles are just really, really annoying. Like, they're hard, and I haven't turned this in a while. This is bad. But like, they're really hard, and they're not that nice. With this, they're pretty soft. They feel very comfortable to hold. Let's take a look at this mechanism. So I'm pretty sure this is just really hard to get out. There we go. GAN cord and focus. It really just looks like an air. And that's probably because, well, that's basically what it is. If I get a corner. Oh, wow, this is really heavily lubed. Okay, there goes the corner. Get the corner here. It's just a GAN. If you see down there, not the GAN core. But let's put this back in. This is not easy. And I believe it's got the yellow GES nuts. So now there's all lube on the outside. My hands are disgusting. But the turning of the cube itself, very smooth, light. And when I say smooth, this is like, no, this feels like someone just dunked an entire bottle of silk into this thing. So this cube is really, really nice. Let's think. It's very smooth. Probably one of the smoothest cubes I've ever felt, especially recently. And I'm not usually that big of a fan of smooth cubes. I usually like my puzzles like scratchy. If you can hear the difference there. It also doesn't really feel that good quality. Like, it feels like a budget cube almost, and it sounds like a budget cube. Like, this reminds me of the MF3RS, if you can hear that. So yeah. But this is a problem. It's very similar to a GAN cube. And I don't really like GAN cubes that much, and it's not because of their performance. Like, I have felt the SM. The problem with the SM is that it's so light. Like, GAN cubes, I know it's the GAN Air, but it's so light. And that's, like, I need weight to my puzzles.
2 hours later.
So, yeah, the Rubik's Speed Cube. What do I think? I think for a Rubik's puzzle, it's amazing. For a speed cube, I don't think anyone would main it. It suffers from the same flaws as the GAN cube, but it basically just feels like an Air with tiles. I mean, it's very good. You could easily get your average with this. There's nothing terrible about it. No really major flaws. It's nice, but there's just something about it. But I think that it's definitely a really, really good cube and could contend for a main. I don't think it will for me, personally. But I think for a lot of people, you could use this as your main. And for OH, it's actually pretty good. It's really smooth and controllable, which is another thing I didn't mention. Like, these tensions are pretty tight, but it is very controllable. Like, as controllable as, say, like a magnetic puzzle. If I could do that algorithm correctly, which, oh well. But yeah, like, I don't think I'll main this, but I think that I could. It's really good. I don't think I'll ever compete with it. Although I'm noticing now that the turning is very heavy and my arm's getting tired, which doesn't really happen to me with any other cube. It might be a problem. But yeah, there's one problem with this. Price. This is like a $20 puzzle, which is the price of, say, a GTS2, or a Valk, or a Yusha Pro. Like, if you're gonna spend $20 on a puzzle, you're gonna get a high-end speed cube that you want to main. You're probably not interested in this. I feel like the only reason to get this is for novelty, just to say you have a good Rubik's Cube. And I don't think that's a bad thing. I think it's really good that Rubik's is trying to become a speed cube company, and I think this is a great first step, but $20, this isn't that good. It's not $20 good, at least. Maybe if this had been like a budget cube, like, I think this beats the MF3RS. I haven't tried the Little Magic, but it might be better than that. So if this was like a $5, $6 puzzle, I think it would be really good. But I think the only way I could see this being a good thing is if they get sold in stores. And I really hope they do, because people who are not cubers and they want to be, or they're just fascinated with Rubik's Cubes, I think it would be great for them to be able to use one and turn at more than 1/4 of TPS. So yeah, that is it for this unboxing. If you did like the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you really liked it, make sure to subscribe. But anyway, that's it for me, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.